friend, and welcome to this brand new course, How to Use a Wah-Wah Pedal. I'm your host, Eric Beatty, and I'll be happy to guide you through how I personally use my own wah-wah pedals, different techniques, and various ways, tips, and tricks that you can use wah-wah in your own playing. This course includes both old and new materials as well, such as new licks that I've recorded, original licks, just for this course, that I've played fast and slowly, and on-screen tabs for easier learning. These are played in both major and minor keys. Also included are resources such as Guitar Pro tab files, PDF versions of these for easy printing, and MP3 audio files so that you can hear exactly how each lick should be played. And not only that, but each tab file has specific indicators of where the wah should be open or closed, and you can hear that in the audio files. I've also included plenty of bonuses to keep you busy and engaged with learning new and different techniques of using the wah-wah pedal. Some of these include a partial solo that I've tabbed out for you directly from one of the course videos, performance videos of wah-wah pedals used by the pros, an included video detailing the history of the wah-wah pedal, how to dial in digital wah-wah pedals using the modeler of my choice, Helix from Line 6. All this and much more is waiting for you on the inside. So get your guitar ready and your wah-wah cocked. It's time to settle in and get ready to rock.